Damn, it looks sexy in here, don't it? Little blurple action. Hey man, welcome back to the EPZ channel. I'm at the EPZ estate once again, and I got bike parts. I need to turn a light off because y'all really can't see me. But let me turn this on. Okay, I got bike parts. What did you get? Relax, bud. Just take it easy, okay? How was your day? Let's talk about how our day was first and get acquainted. I'll let you guys get your popcorn and sit down before you get into this EPZ entertainment. Got a thermal switch. If you saw the last video, and then the radiator fan's not turning on, I'm putting this in. I was gonna get an OEM one for $60, but I'm gonna try my luck with this first. It's just a thermal switch. I assume mine went bad. I don't know. We just got it in the mail today. My fan has not worked since I got the bike. Like, it just doesn't want to turn. It doesn't turn on when it's supposed to turn on. So instead of wiring it to a hard switch, I figured might as well fix it how it's supposed to be fixed. You know, it comes on right at 220, cools the bike down. That's how I want it. Cool. I can sit in traffic. Cool. So I guess I should go put the shit on the bike now. Probably, right? Yeah, probably. You should probably do that, Ethan. You should probably do that, Peasy. Alright, so I just took the fairings off, but I took that side fairing off. Let me show you guys where exactly this thermal switch is, because the fan doesn't turn on. So it's literally, hold on, let me get my light. It's literally right here. It's that guy. So all I gotta do is take that off, unplug it, unscrew it, screw the new one in, I'm done. Alright. So it should just be a pinch and pull, right? What the fuck? So it should just be like a pinch and pull. Right here. Gotta just pinch that clip off and it comes off. So let's try that again. Alright, time to get the screwdriver out. So I had to turn it a little bit, 24 mil wrench. Turn it a little bit so you can get access to the plug. You can press it with your finger easy. And then yeah, this just spins out. Alright. Oh shit, we got coolant, hold on. Hold up, we got coolant. Let me go get a bucket and then we will take this off and put the new one in. Alright, so I'm about to take this out now. I think it's gonna start pissing coolant, so I got my pan. Should be good. Oh yeah. Yeah, she's pissing. Alright. That's the old one. And the O-ring is still stuck on there. So I gotta get that off. Let's compare them side by side. This is the new one. This is the old one. They look the same. Yeah, they look the same. They look the same. You guys don't need to see them under good light. They look the exact same. They look the same. I have to get this O-ring out. Something like that. This is definitely from 2004. O-ring is stuck on there. New one. You guys can't see. I have terrible lighting. I'm sorry. I'm trying.
I got money green, giving me the blues. When it come to running, all you niggas lose. I've been trying to switch the mode. Fucking hoes and tools. On my P's and Q's. We got P's and Q's. Glad I made it through.
The new one is a 22
She was
mil.
never good. She was going stew. Smoking on some Doja. I got Kitty coming through. Yeah, eyes getting lower. I don't hit the snooze. Ready still frozen. Keep it far away from you. You got sticky fingers. Call you sticky icky. She got attitude for days. Like she icky Vicky. I'ma call her syrup. She got sticky. Everywhere I go, gotta keep my sticky with me. Niggas rash Mickey. She got sticky quickly. Pulling up on she. Trying to get me licky. All these niggas hoes. All these niggas bitchy. So I'm standing on my toes. To the tippy.
I didn't hear a click. It's on. That shit's on. It's on. Alright. New shit's on. That's it. That's literally all we're doing. I didn't hear this click though. But that's literally all I'm doing. That is a radiator fan switch. The thing is, I have no way of testing it right now. It's 11 o'clock at night, and I'm not about to start this bike and let it warm up until the fan kicks on. I'm just not doing that. This bike is loud as hell. I'm not doing that. So, I guess we gotta wait. We kind of just gotta wait until... We gotta wait until it gets warm, and then we go ride the bike and see if it worked. And if it didn't work, I'll figure it out. But yeah, that's about it. I gotta add some more coolant. But that's about it. I got all the parts that I have for this bike are on. So hey, leave a like. Do I look fried? A little bit. Sorry. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Do your thing. Do your thing down low. Leave a like so I can get some more fluids. Subscribe so I can get Lexus parts. My headlight went out. So leave a like. I'm out.
Everywhere I go, gotta keep my sticky with me.
Oh yeah. Just left the gym. Stop playing. Just left the gym. Just left the gym. Ah! Bro, I can't do it with a straight face. Oh yeah. Stop playing with me, man. I'm trying to have my t-shirt out. I'm trying to have the t-shirt on all summer long. On the bike. You don't want to be riding around with no chicken arms on a motorcycle. All black? With some chicken arms?
Really, nigga?
For real? Where they do that at?